Hey there, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your ultimate destination for the hottest job opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on your dream job. Your support means the world to us. Today, we have got something extraordinary lined up for you. It's about Official Technology Private Limited, a game changer in the advertising industry. Now let's dive into the exciting work from home opportunity they are offering. As an intern with Official Technologies, you'll be interested with some cool responsibilities. Develop and maintain RESTful APIs using Java and Spring framework. Collaborate with a talented team to understand project requirements and design effective solutions. Implement data persistence and manipulations using Spring Data JPA and relational databases. Write clean, efficient code while adhering to coding standards and best practices. Conduct code reviews and provide constructive feedback to your awesome peers. Troubleshoot and debug issues in existing code. Stay updated on the latest developments in Java and Spring technologies. Assist in documentation and knowledge sharing within the team. Now let's talk about the skills and qualification you will need to thrive in this role. To qualify, you should be currently pursuing a degree in computer science, information related technology or a related field. Have prior knowledge and coursework in Java programming. Possesses a basic understanding of RESTful API design principles. Be familiar with the Spring framework, SpringBoot, Spring Data JPA. Have experience with relational database systems. Boast strong problem-solving skills and impeccable attention to detail. Grok effective communication and team abilities. Exhibit eagerness to learn and adapt to new technologies. By joining Official Technologies, you'll enjoy certificates to showcase your skills, a valuable letter of recommendation, hands-on experience with real-world projects, mentorship from experienced developers, exposure to a collaborative and innovative work environment, opportunities for skill development and growth, the potential for future full-time employment based on your stellar performance. This is a golden opportunity, folks. If you meet the requirement and are available for a 3-month work from home internship, then you can apply to this job. You will be earning nearly 5,000 to 7,000 per month. So don't miss out on this chance to boost your career with Official Technologies and apply now. Just click the link in the description below to apply, and remember, your journey to success starts right here on Placements Nepal. That's all for today's video, my fantastic viewers. If you found this opportunity exciting and helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more career boosting content. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams, and we'll see you in the next Placements Nepal's video.